Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Transform My Space with Mav Construction. My name is Pepelo Innocent Msomi. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm also a qualified home builder. As you can see, my garage has become so congested. It's cluttered. Time for some additional shelf space. You know what? If you can, why not do it yourself? Before we get into it, if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, hit like, share the video, and most importantly, comment. Let us know your thoughts. Enjoy the video. So now that we've cleaned up the space, let me show you what it is we're going to need. We're going to need a spirit level. A pencil comes in handy. We're going to need some fisher plugs, a pair of safety gloves, and then we're going to need brackets that look something like this. We're going to need a little cordless drill with a 6mm drill bit. And last but not least, we're definitely going to need the board. So there you have it, guys. We've transformed it, looking so much cleaner. The space can breathe. Again, if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, hit like, share the video. Check you on the next one.